Hey guys, it's Lisette here. No comment about my hair, okay? In today's video, we are doing a get ready with me. I need to look cute today. I need to like make myself feel better and just get ready and feel cute, you know? There's nothing like a little bit of hair and makeup can't fix. Also, a huge thank you to Nexxus for sponsoring today's video. I need to wash my face, I need to do my hair, I need to do my makeup. So we got a lot to do, and so let's go. First things first, before we even get started on anything, I need to prep my skin and I need to do some skincare. I did not wash my face today and I really need to wash my face. So I love using my face brush, you guys already know, and so I'm just using it, going in circular motions just to really make sure I get my skin clean. And then next, I'm following up with my favorite daily exfoliator. It is so gentle on my skin and super sensitive, so I love to use this like probably 3 or 4 times a week. And this is also helping with dullness and to brighten my skin as well. And after the face is all clean and I feel fresh, I'm gonna jump into the shower and tackle this hair. My hair needs to be revived. It's super dry and it really just needs like some water, so I just really have to hop in the shower. To detangle my hair, I'm using the Nexxus pre-wash treatment from their Curl Define line. I take a good chunk and I'm just applying this all throughout my hair, but first I wanna make sure that my hair is like super wet. And so Nexxus actually just launched its first ever range exclusively for curls, and their products are literally scientifically proven to help restore curl strength from within. But right now I'm just using a wide tooth comb just to detangle my hair. Sometimes I use my fingers, but today I was feeling kind of lazy and just wanted to get through this pretty quick. The pre-wash treatment actually has 8 benefits in one, so obviously it helps detangle your hair, it moisturizes, it nourishes your hair and scalp, and it can even reduce breakage. And what's great is that it's infused with marula oil, castor oil, and shea butter, which is all gonna help moisturize your hair. I love how this product is just super thick and creamy. It just literally melts into my hair, and you can just see how easily I can just detangle my hair. And I'm just gonna leave this on for a good 5 minutes. If you're interested in checking out the Nexxus Curl Define line, then make sure to click the link in the description box down below. But also, all these products are available at drugstores and mass retailers at an affordable price point. I've totally rinsed out the pre-wash treatment, and then I'm just gonna follow up with shampoo and conditioner. And with all this treatment, my hair feels so much better compared to the before, and my hair just feels super soft and moisturized. Alrighty, so now that I'm back, I can finally work on my hair and I can style it. I was thinking about doing a cute like up and some down look, but maybe with a swoop. So let's just see how that's gonna go. Take down my towel. I feel like my hair is getting like actually really long, like for real. For my hair, I'm gonna take my spray bottle and I'm just gonna spritz my hair to get it damp. And then I'm just gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner and just wet my hair some more, just so that it's easier for me to detangle and brush everything through. Okay, this clip is not working. Nope, just gonna have to use a hair tie. So now that my hair is borderline soaking wet and fully detangled, I'm gonna split my hair in half, tie this side up, and also tie the back up. With this top section, I'm gonna take out a little piece in the front. I'm gonna do like kind of a deep part. So I'm gonna start here and part my hair. I got my part here. I'm sectioning it across, but kind of like at an angle. I finally got my section. I'm just gonna twist this piece and work on this upper section. I'm gonna take some gel, quite a bit of gel, and then just smooth this back. I'm taking some edge control, really smooth down this top section. Woo! Did y'all just see that? And just taking my hair tie to secure everything. I'm gonna take the back down as well. I'm gonna style it with some gel, just kind of smooth it over. I got the rest of my hair styled, so I'm gonna move on to this front little piece finally. And so basically with this, I just want to apply like a lot of gel just to be able to slick it down and kind of do like a little swoop situation. So I'm actually gonna split it in half and then apply some gel to this section specifically and smooth it. And then do the same to this section. And so I'm just smoothing everything down, bringing it kind of like in that swoop motion that I'm looking for. And then I'm just taking a section in the back and actually attaching it with a clear elastic and really making sure that it's secure. I'm just gonna add a teeny tiny bit more gel just to like refreshen everything. Moving on to makeup, I'm just gonna let my hair air dry while I just do my makeup. So this is kind of what we're working with. I just quickly did my brows off camera. Lately, my brows have just been driving me insane. Like, I just never can get them even anymore, but let's just move on to the rest of the makeup. I'm gonna prep my eyelids with some concealer. You already know. And then I'm just gonna blend this out. Moving on to eyeshadow, this eye look is really basic, but it's definitely gonna look like you spent more time on your eyeshadow than you actually really did. So I'm only gonna be using a few colors. I'm going in with a light orange. And then I'm gonna go in with a medium brown. Just kind of like place it in the area, pack it on. And then taking a blending brush, I'm just gonna blend this out and do the same on this side. And then take a blending brush and just fade those edges. I'm going in with a little bit more of like a reddish, and I'm also gonna pop this into the crease as well and just blend everything. Next up, we're gonna do a cut crease. So I'm gonna take my concealer and literally just draw a line and then look up. And it kind of creates a line when you do that. Sometimes I find it easier to kind of like drag it as opposed to like swiping it. And then swooping it upwards. And I'm just gonna fill the rest of this in. And then I'm gonna take a sponge and just blend out this concealer at the bottom. Set this with some powder. One eye down, so I'm gonna do the other eye and I'm gonna be back. So now that I got this, it's time for eyeliner. And so I'm just gonna do a wing eyeliner and just follow that same curve that I created. I got one wing on and I kind of almost matched the same length as the cut crease. And so I'm just gonna do the same on this side and hopefully I can get them to match. Finally got my eyeliner on. I feel like it kind of matches, just don't look too close. And so I'm gonna add mascara and do my lashes. I got my lashes and my liner on, so now it's time to move on to the face. I'm using like a semi light to medium coverage foundation. I like this foundation because I feel like my skin kind of still shines through, you know, like it's not like that like super full coverage look. And I'm just gonna do my concealer. With my powder, what I'm gonna do is take my sponge and kind of press it into my under eye and then just dust it on the rest of my face. My face is like super flat right now, so I'm gonna add some bronzer. Contour my nose and blend it out with a brush. I'm also adding a little bit of brown shadow under my lower lash line with also a little bit of mascara. With my blush, I'm just gonna take it and bring it kind of like up on the cheek. And to finish off the face, I'm using a little bit of some highlight, and I'm just gonna pop this right on the upper part of the cheek, a little bit on the brow bone, just so that it gives that pop of shimmer. And I'm doing a little bit on my nose. Last but not least is lips. I'm gonna use a brown lip liner just to outline my lips. And then just apply some lip gloss right on top. I'm just putting some hoops in. I'm also gonna take like a teeny tiny piece and just wrap it around my band. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me, and if you did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Also, another thank you to Nexxus for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.